Toshiba Device and Storage. CMOS Logic ICs. E-learning. 2. Basic operations of CMOS Logic ICs. What is a CMOS Logic IC? A circuit that uses complementary pairs of P-channel and N-channel MOSFETs is called CMOS, complementary MOS. CMOS Logic ICs combine MOSFETs in various ways to implement logic functions. A logic gate composed of a single pair of P-channel and N-channel MOSFETs is called an inverter. Basic CMOS Logic ICs. 1. The following briefly describes the operation of an inverter. When the input is low, the N-channel MOSFET is off, and the P-channel MOSFET is on. At this time, VCC and the output are electrically connected. The output signal is driven to high, VCC 1. When the input is high, the N-channel MOSFET is on, and the P-channel MOSFET is off. At this time, ground and the output are electrically connected. The output signal is driven to low, ground, 0. Basic CMOS Logic ICs. 2. Various logic functions can be implemented by combining P-channel and N-channel MOSFETs. For reference, the details of the 2-input NAND gate circuit and the 2-input NOR gate circuit are shown below. Basic operations of CMOS Logic ICs. 1. When the gate source voltage of a MOSFET exceeds a certain voltage, the drain source resistance decreases, causing the MOSFET to turn on. This drain source resistance is called on resistance. The direction of the voltage applied across gate and source differs between N-channel and P-channel MOSFETs. The following figure shows the condition under which a MOSFET turns on. N-channel MOSFET, when the gate voltage is higher than the source voltage by VTH, the N-channel MOSFET turns on. P-channel MOSFET, when the gate voltage is lower than the source voltage by VTH, the P-channel MOSFET turns on. Basic operations of CMOS Logic ICs. 2. The following figure shows an inverter, a basic building block of CMOS Logic ICs. When Vin is at the VCC or ground level, either the P-channel or N-channel MOSFET is off. Therefore, very little current flows between VCC and ground. When the input is in the steady state, ICC is very low. The following figure shows the V and ICC curve of CMOS. When Vn is between 0 and VTH or between VCC minus VTH and VCC, very little current flows between VCC and ground. However, when Vn is between VTH and VCC minus VTH, shoot-through current flows from the P-channel MOSFET to the N-channel MOSFET, increasing ICC. Therefore, care should be exercised to ensure that excessively slowly changing input is not applied to Vn. Basic configuration of CMOS Logic ICs. Example of the cross-section of a CMOS Logic IC. A wide diffusion region, P-well, is formed in the N substrate. An N-channel MOSFET is formed on the P-well. A P-channel MOSFET is formed on the N substrate. An N-well is formed on a P substrate, depending on the process. Since the performance and integration density of MOSFETs are determined by the gate width, the manufacturing process is expressed with the gate width. For example, a CMOS process with a gate width of 1.0 micrometer is called the 1.0 micrometer CMOS process,